trying to keep you and your buddies out of trouble right here on Stu's channel.
Back. This is the interesting part here. Having to iron this up, and I've discovered, you watch the video. There's a video at crashtesthobby.com on how to do this. But I can tell you this: it's pretty. You've got lots of material. Don't think you're going to run out of this this laminate. As you start your laminate, you notice that how big my piece is here. Way over. Look at how nice it comes out when you start to iron it. It starts to get a darker, well, a clear. It goes from this cloudy color to this nice clear color. The plane is coated. Yes, my plane is coated. Oh yeah, I got some extra little dots on here. Pretty interesting. So we're kind of looking at yeah. They're almost like see-through, they're chrome. And the bottom. I'll add a little something over here, but I'm going to leave this, I have an idea of what I'm going to do to the bottom, and it should turn out to be pretty cool. There's my wires for the lights. Now I'll just solder my other lights in, pull these up a bit, solder my other lights in, build a slot, and stuff this stuff down into through the slot so it goes back down into the plane and comes out the top with a female balance end. Just as the instructions say, I marked a line on the back with at the 6.5 marker. My buddy Curtis had a cool idea with the toothpicks to balance on my CG. And so here we are. There's my battery. And as you may know, I am mounting my servos like so. Alright, welcome back to Stu's channel. Complete. It looks a little different with all the tape and stuff on, but I still got it. Got a little, yeah, I know, I don't know why. I painted my servos yellow just to match the whole stuff, but I got tape all over the place. And then I'm going to put, it's done. I mean, it's flyable right now. And then I'm going to put my other pieces on here, like so. They'll mold around this. It'll edge pretty easy. Or not. It really doesn't need them. I mean, it's actually a lower profile than I had suspected, so I may not need those after all. Those would be just for looks, realistically. So I'll probably not use them. We'll see. But I do have indentations into the wing, since I laid these on the side. So these serve as a guide. Over here, at one point, I could literally cover it with like a paper and then a tape over the top of it, and it would act like that straw. Or put the staple in, we'll see. There's the bottom. There's where my lights go in. I drilled the hole through, tied it in, put it through, hot glued on this end here, and then hot glued on the other side. But, hey, the bottom line is, I'm ready for a maiden. And you already saw what the lights look like. They look a little more interesting with the tape on, a little more mechanical, so to speak. But there it is. Next up, maiden. Welcome back to Stu's channel. Check it out. This is Curtis. It's Curtis and I that bought the planes and components for the rest of the group. Well, his is done. He's got his all done. Now, I know it doesn't look like a whole bunch right now because it's just a plain white, but his lights in here are cool. And mainly we're doing this for the nighttime action. But right now, we're going to see if the thing flies. I'm going to see if Curtis has what it takes. Okay. How's it feel?
Feels good. Man.
Looks straight. Does look straight. How's the roll on it? I guess you'll find out here shortly, huh?
A little shaky. So that's full throttle.
Yeah, I'm wondering if we made a mistake by taking the winglets off.
You mean the fins on the wing?
Yeah, the fins.
How greasy do you think this is? Maybe 4 or 5?
Yeah, maybe 7. Yep.
It's hard to do an ice edge.
Yeah, it is hard, isn't it? Let's see you do a nice, sweet landing. Let's see what you got. Then I'll cut this tape short.
Try a fresh pad.
How slow will this thing go? Not bad.
Which way are you throwing it?
Hopefully I get back over here on this.
Hopefully into the wind. Nice.
Sweet. And it's up.
Uh-oh, look out. I hope your insurance is up to date.
Me too. Okay, hey, let's do an experiment. Let me get it upstairs. Put some high rates on. Okay.
Second flight, peeps. Wow. Nice. Uh-oh, we have a battle. Oh! Let's see some contact, peeps.
How hard can it be?
No, it's going to be hard.
Yeah, I can't wait till there's a ton of them out here.
Get him, Curtis.
I'm trying just to keep an eye on my plane.
I can see mine for sure. What was that?
Maybe my plane was...
Oh, yeah, this is... When we get them all out here, this is going to be trouble.